So it's snowing again. The trees are starting to get a little bit of a blanket to them. And looks like we've got an emergency vehicle came up. Never seen one of these snowcats before. Gas company, because we're smelling gas. We've had about 7 fires in the last 73 hours or so. We're smelling the gas, and these guys are here to probably dig it out. You see how hard it is for them to even get down to the house. Oh, he just sunk up to his hip. Yeah, this guy's making his own path right here. I don't think we're going to be seeing any snowplows real soon.